what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as AKA. I'm sorry if I sound a bit dead. I really did not sleep well last night, but I really wanted to film this video today because today is the 1st of January 2021. Starting the year with a bang, filming 2 videos today, so I hope you will enjoy them. The video that I'm filming today for you is just like a really little snapshot mini ASOS haul. I got 3 things from ASOS the other day just with some like Christmas money. I got 2 things that I would say more just like basics, like just things I needed to like fill gaps in my wardrobe a little bit more. And then the 3rd thing is sort of a bit more of like a statement-y thing, but I'd still say it fills a gap in my wardrobe, so I'm so excited. And also, you know, I got some good bargains, so I'm going to show you those and tell you about those as well. So I'm just going to dive right in. I'm going to show you the basics first because the 3rd thing is like more exciting, so I can't wait to like open it. Alright, so I have my little bag here. So first item that I got, very basic, very simple, just some black pants, to be honest. I have like jeans. I have 2 pairs of sort of like denim jeans. I have, did I say denim? Like 2 pairs of like denim jeans. I have some just like other cloth pants, but I don't have anything that's just sort of like an everyday basic that I can just like chuck on with anything and head out of the house. So this is what I wanted to get. I didn't really care about the quality, to be honest, because it's just literally some basic pants. So I literally just got these. They are just elastic at the waist. I'm hoping as well that they flare out nicely. Not flare out, but like sit nicely on my shoes, because that's sort of what I was after. The brand is Flounce Clue. Never heard of it before, but yeah, just some really simple basic black pants. You can style these with honestly anything, so I'm just going to chuck an outfit on in a second to show you. But yeah, so that's just some simple black pants. I just needed something like around that £10 mark, just some really basic cheap pants to chuck in to fill up my wardrobe gaps a little bit. So that is item number 1. The second thing that I got was just a basic top. Again, I needed things for like layering underneath things. So I got one that has a nice collar so that I can hopefully layer it throughout this winter, although I'm not going anywhere apart from the grocery store. Having said that, I did go to the grocery store the other day and I got complimented on my outfit, so you never know, every day's a fashion show. And so this is the second item. It's just like a cropped white long sleeve with just like a little collar detail and some buttons there as well. I wonder if these actually open. Yeah, they do. Functional ones. So this is ASOS design. I got a UK 10 in this one, and what did I get in the pants? Pants I got a UK 8. So I was like, my tops to be a bit more oversized. So yeah, just a cropped white. This is like really not much I can say about it because it's really like so basic, but like this is just exactly what I needed, so I may as well show you anyway. So the white top, so the black pants were £28 down to 15, so a little bit more savings there. The white top was £15 down to £12, so some really good savings there. I mean, I just needed some basics, so I wanted around that like £10 to £15 mark for those 2 basics. The next thing, however, I am so excited about this. I don't know if you can see the colour from the camera, but I don't have anything like this. I don't have anything this material. I don't have anything this colour in my wardrobe. So I mean, I can say I'm filling a gap, right? Can you see that? Oh my god. Okay, so this is the Urban Code High Shine PU belted trench coat in khaki. Sorry, I had to read that off the screen. But how stunning is this? Like, I don't even know, you're not going to be able to see until I actually go. This is long, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh, so this is Urban Code, as you can see there. Urban Code, I got a UK 10 in this one. It did say it was oversized, but I wanted like oversized. You know me. It's faux leather, so it's not real leather. And oh my god, it's just absolutely stunning. So it's a USA 6, UK 10. This originally was £190. So like nearly 400 Australian dollars. And I got it for £60, but then on my whole order I also got an additional, I think 10% off or 15% off. So I ended up getting another additional £13 off the entire order. So I would say it ended up being literally like £55 for this amazing coat that is £190. Like, what? Anyway, I'm way too excited about it. It has these buttons, these double buttons. It's really hard to see in the camera. These double buttons all the way down, and these big trench pockets, as well as the trench strap around the front as well. I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. For all the other part of the video, I'm too overwhelmed. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was like a very mini, little snapshot of an ASOS haul, but I just got a couple of things for Christmas that I wanted to show you. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and go down below and leave a comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!